Good morning! So mag-winter na. Hindi pa naman. Fall pa lang. Pero kailangan kong linisin to dito. Tanggalin ko to. Lagay ko sa loob. Tapos tingnan nyo. Mayroon pa laman. May beer at saka coke. Tatanggalin natin to. Punasan muna natin kasi madumi yung loob. Bago natin iligpit. Ay, hirap. Kalisod ba, ani? Bouncy, bouncy castle. Kabok. Hapon na hinampak. Oy. Diok mga tanako. Di ate. Wala naman ang ikos tag-iyag. Sagdan na din niya. Mainit today. Itatapon namin tong old carpet. Na tayo sa Laos kasi naghahanap kami ng renovate kasi namin yung kusina namin.
This is a concrete block.
Concrete block?
Okay, so what you guys use, now pick that up.
Nasilay ko nasilay. Oh my god, again! Heavy!
Concrete block. What you guys use over there are so much weaker than the stuff.
Yeah, it is
that.
because the one that we have in the Philippines you can lift up, but this one, my god, it's too heavy.
Well, they're not cheap. It's 100 pesos per block.
Wow.
Oh, you might.
Too busy.
Yeah, and that's not even a bevel. That's pretty flat.
Anyway, kahit di ko naman naiintindihan itong mga
Huh? Oh.
di ko naman naiintindihan itong mga sumama ako kasi nga gusto ko rin pumili kung anong kulay na ilalagay namin sa kitchen, di ba? Ah!
Oh, I do like that.
Namusi mo na siya, uy. Hala. Nagtawag ni, natay dagan ani sa Pinas po. Nagtawag presyo, makabuang. Kanipod. Kani pa dyan o, naidagan ani sa balay. Kani. Sus, hala, makabuang ang presyo, my God. So, ayan nga.
So
Hanap
this
kami
one right
ng
here,
sink.
this one comes with the faucet and stuff. That's $450.
Kasi yung sink namin, palitan namin ng Isang malaki lang. Dapat ganyan, ganyan yung sink namin ngayon. Pero palitan namin ng isang malaki lang.
Yeah, I need some poster board too. Start working on some samples.
So, pauwi na kami. Hindi pa kami nakabili actually. Okay, so for today's ganap or for today's video, magluto tayo ng chicken curry.
Painting quite a picture of fear and confusion after the gunshot took Kirk's life at Utah University. These recordings were released as prosecutors are preparing to file charges. They say they're working around the clock to sort through evidence and file charges against the suspect. 22-year-old Tyler Robinson in the death of Charlie Kirk. There's a deadline to file statements.
Kani para sa kuba na miracle rice. Simao ni ang miracle rice. Substitute sa rice. Meron siyang patuyuon. Ready na siya. Nice of rice, no? Ayan, kalami. So, ayan na yan, guys. Ang finished product. Pinagdagan namin ng mani. Kasi paborito ni Habi yung mani.
What's that?
Akin naman is ito. Parata. Parata. Kain na tayo!